Alright guys, welcome back. Alright, boys and their toys. Listen, as you know, I've been replacing my SHIFT Interlock Latch that failed in my Dodge Magnum 6-shift mechanism or box. So I got the part. This is the part here. Let you guys see a little closer. Alright, part number 924-706. Okay, for door mount. Now I went with this one instead of the one supplied by Dodge, and the main reason why I decided to go with this part instead of the manufacturer's one is pretty much how it's made. Now, this is the original part that came out of the car, and this is where pretty much they all fail in this mechanism. There's supposed to be a little hook that comes out that catches on your linchpin, or your spring, I should say. Now what I'm going to show you, what comes with your box here, is they're going to give you the part. And the big difference, as you can see, is that this is made from aluminum. All right. This one's made from plastic. If you go with the updated version of this part, and it's going to be white, that is also made of plastic. Now they said the plastic is more rigid, I guess, and made better. All right, but the point I'm making is it's plastic. This is metal, or alloyed, or aluminum, I should say. So which one you go for, the aluminum or the plastic? I think it's a no-brainer, guys. And this is where this pin mimics that pin right there. All right, so this is stronger aluminum. This is not going to fail ever again. You can take your chances on buying a plastic piece, which is white. They say it's more durable. You shouldn't have any problem. You probably won't. But I'm going to go with tried and true aluminum, which is more, I think, more, my opinion, better made quality than going with a plastic piece. So if you're doing this, my suggestion, my opinion, and it's just my opinion, you can do what you want. Go with the alloy. Go with the aluminum alloy. All right, so you'll never have this problem. And that's it. And again, when I decide to sell a car, I'll definitely bring that to attention to the person who's buying it from me, that I replaced it with the aluminum piece, and they will never have a problem with it again. All right, so got the part in. I'm happy with it. It does come with the spring already. They already give you the spring. So now it's just about just putting this in. Now in the directions, it says that we should just oil this up a little bit before you put it in. All right, so what I'm going to do, we get a little grease. I'm going to put it on here and there, just a little bit, just to coat it just a little bit. And then I'll get this attached. So let's get this started. Let's get this thing all put back together and back into the car. So thanks for joining me. Boys and their toys, Studio Rays, how to fix your Dodge interlock shift. Alright guys, now we're going to install our piece back into the housing. Now remember, this faces into the car, toward the front of the car. So what are you going to do? It's very simple, guys. You're just reversing it. This piece here has to get behind this piece here. It has to come on this side. Alright, so before you put this on, make sure you come forward with your latch to that, just like that. Okay, now once you got it down there, all you're gonna do is bring this down, and there's a little cutout right here. This piece has to go in that cutout and then go forward this way. So All I'm gonna do is just drop it down. You'll see it. So see how it's going forward, right there, like that. All right. Now this piece here has to go on this side. So all you're gonna do is just come down with it. Hold on, guys. See the shifter? Just move the shifter over when you come down. All right. There. All right. See how you have to maneuver this shifter over, so this piece is now lined up right here. All right. So that's how it's supposed to be. So when it engages, see how it's pushing the shifter over? That's how it's supposed to be. Make sure that piece is on this side, not that side. So just come down, shift it over, and you get it in. And that's it, guys. It's locked in. All right. Now once you got that in, all you're gonna do is take your little spring, and it's gonna get hooked in this section here and this section here. All right. So let me get that installed. Okay, and it really doesn't matter which way you want to start. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it here on the shifter, or the latch, I should say, and then I'm gonna take a needle nose and stretch it over. Oops. So just gonna have to play with this, guys, until you get it in there. There you go. Okay. Alright, so that's it. Just gotta bend it over, and that's it. The piece is now replaced. Alright, and that's where it failed, and that plastic piece right here. Alright, and it's kind of asinine, whoever came up with this design with that little plastic piece. What? I don't know. Say, hey, that's gonna fail over time, but it is what it is. So again, my suggestion: get the metal piece. Again, I keep on repeating, you do what you want. If you don't want to get it, so be it. But I'm not gonna put my trust in the plastic piece if I can replace it with a nice metal piece or aluminum. So that's it, guys. Once it's in, it's a wrap. And see how it's going, engaging back and forth. So oops, I'm about to fix that back out. My bad. All right, let's get that. All right. All right. Make sure you don't do that. Once it's in there, don't play with it. I gotta take that off and put it back together. All right, guys. This is the final. Everything's hooked up. I've been driving it for a few days now, and I really don't have any issues. Only thing I do have is I wouldn't call it an issue, but it's easy to put in. Just reverse how we took everything out. But I find myself, or I notice when I turn on the car, again, it works, goes down, goes into gear. Excellent. When I shut it off, initially when I used to take out the key, sometimes it seemed like it gets hung up. It gets hung up. Then I just have to play with it, like push this back to take the key out. It doesn't happen all the time, but it did happen a couple of times that I noticed, and that never happened before. So I don't know, because it's a new spring and it's very stiff. I don't know. Maybe that'll loosen up. So, but other than that, guys, I'm happy with the installation. It went in very easily. It went back in much easier then coming out. Because again, being the first time, not sure where things are, just reversing that procedure, it went in real quick, no problem. I was up and going, and I'm happy with this installation. Again, if you have a problem with your shift and it's not working, that piece did go out. And again, my opinion, get the metal piece. All right, stay away from the plastic piece. But if you anal about having just strictly the original manufacturer parts in it, knock yourself out, get that plastic piece. You shouldn't have a problem, but it is what it is. So, guys, enjoy yourself. Be safe out there. Check out my other upcoming videos. And please give like, subscribe, give a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. And let me know why you don't like it. All right? And be constructive on it, on your criticism. Listen, I can take constructive criticism. All right? So I'm just trying to get better with these YouTube videos. All right? Guys, be good out there. See you on the next one. Later.